What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, with all the negativity that we've seen in the crypto market recently, and maybe a slight recovery in a way, um, we've seen some predictions that have come out. Not only from people like me, but also from experts and different AI platforms and everything there. I saw one more recently that I wanted to talk about, which was from Gemini, who just talked about a more realistic price prediction. Not necessarily pushing towards the maybe unrealistic price prediction or things that are just maybe a little bit higher than what you could have expected. Because when we look at the stock market, and we look at anything of a traditional investment, we're always looking for those traditional gains 10%, 50%. We're not necessarily looking for, I mean, we would love to see it, but we're not saying that these are 100% going to happen, that we're going to see a 100, 200, 500, 1,000% gain in those positions. So, what's a realistic expectation? What's a realistic price prediction that we can have for XRP? I'll give you mine and we'll talk about the ones that are there as well. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links at the top of the description is for BTCC. There's a giveaway going on until the end of this month. If you wanted to be a part of that giveaway, all you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade, and you will be entered to win 375 USDT. Again, sign up, deposit, and trade by February 28th, and you will be entered to win 375 USDT. Now, they also have extra stuff with this, so even if you don't win the giveaway, you get extra stuff with it. A 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. So definitely give it a look. I think it's a great platform. I've been using it for a while now. Yes, things do fall pretty heavily when you are leverage trading. That's why you have to make sure you manage your risk well, especially during this last downturn that we saw. Seemingly everything got liquidated for everyone. But if you are managing things well, you can be able to make money in the short term to make up for some of those larger drops that you have there. So feel free to check it out, or you can just trade outright. If you don't even want to leverage trade, you could do that. Check it out. The link is at the top of the description. Now, I want to talk about XRP. XRP currently stands at $1.44, which is way better than it was at the $1.20 something mark in the past week or so. The lowest point that we saw, let me go ahead, we'll do a month. Lowest point that we saw was $1.13. So definitely higher than that low level, but still not up to the $3, $4, $5 price point like we expected to see in 2026. We expected to see altcoin season really thrive, really follow through, and make us all potentially XRP millionaires, right? However, we've seen the entire market collapse, right? Where XRP or a Bitcoin was at $120,000, $120,000 plus dollars, and now it's down to like 60 or $70,000. But XRP is sitting at an $88 billion market cap with about $4 billion worth of volume. We officially hit over 500,000 holders, which is amazing, and almost at the 61 billion coin supply. Now, with that being said, with the price where it is, with the expectations that we had, what's a realistic level? So Google Gemini just set XRP's realistic ceiling for 2026. So we'll go through these notes so we don't have to go through all of it. You'll get the gist of it. Google Gemini projects XRP's 2026 price ceiling at $3 to $4, citing liquidity constraints, competition, historical resistance near its $3.84 all-time high, which is very true. XRP crashed 60% from July 2025 and at the $3.65 range to around $1.45, making Gemini's ceiling a much steeper climb than when the analysis was conducted. At current prices, reaching $3 will require a 107% rally. Reaching $4 will require a 176% gain. Finally, you can open here an account and talk about all that. So anyways, understanding their price prediction, understanding what they're showing here. No, that a lot of these AI platforms will do things more on a realistic perspective because they don't want to, have those ridiculous highs out there that they can get to and that they will get to, just because it kind of protects them, and you don't have them making price predictions for you and people making investments just because of that price prediction that they had. Now, a $3 to $4 range is a safe bet. The reason why it's a safe bet is because it recently hit between $3 and $4, showing that it does have a strong resistance around that $3.85 mark, around the $4 mark, and it makes sense to put your next prediction there. But if you truly understand investing, the next levels of an XRP or the next levels of an investment of this magnitude is always, way higher than where that previous level was, whether it was the previous all-time high or the previous high that it just got to, right? $3.65. So in my opinion, a $3 to $4 level is a great level to project, right? If you're looking to go from $1.44 to $3 or $1.44 to $4. That would be a phenomenal gain for you compared to what we get in the stock market traditionally. Yeah, phenomenal gain. But is that something that is truly going to set the bar for cryptocurrency, or is that something that, in my opinion, is realistic when you look at the long-term outlook of XRP? Or even the short-term outlook for XRP? I think 2026 and potentially really seeing that altcoin season, a $3 to $4 level is not the highest level, the highest ceiling that we can have. That may be a realistic level, but that is not the price ceiling, right? We're talking about a ceiling, meaning you can't go past that, right? And if you wanted to, you would have to push through that ceiling, create another floor, second floor, third floor, fit whatever, right? A ceiling means that it stops. I don't agree that that is the ceiling. If I was going to say what is the ceiling for 2026 and what could it get to, I would give you a max range of what I feel like. So I feel, since we did see a pullback and there's a potential chance we might not see this altcoin season, would hate it if we didn't. I still am in firm belief that we are going to see it. That could be a level, $3 to $4. But a level from $5 to $10 could be a better ceiling, meaning that this is the max level it's going to get to for 2026. And for me, I think $20 is that ceiling because it really does push past. I think if you wanted to look at all-time highs and see it break by 2 times, let's say $12 to $15 would be that ceiling that you would look at for a traditional move from one bull market to the next. But for my ceiling, I think the price that is fully acceptable, that people will start taking profits and that you'll see a little bit of a downturn from, is that level of $20. So I don't want to say that it's 100%, but I think that that's what you can look at as a ceiling. Now, when you start to get into things that are a little bit more realistic, the $12 to $15 range could be the next level. The the $10 to $12 range, or maybe you could say $8 to $11 range, that could be the next level, and then more realistic levels of breaking a $5 to $6 mark. So telling me that that is a ceiling and that's where we're going to get to, that's a little ridiculous for me. I can't, right? Ceiling implies that it will not go past that point. It has no ability to go past that point. It doesn't mean that that's the price it's going to get to. It means that now $3 to $4 is what they're saying is going to be the absolute peak point for 2026. I don't think that's the case. Now, if this truly is a start to a bear market and we will not see that bull market or altcoin season that we wanted to see, then yeah, obviously a low price point of $2 to even $4 is it's up for debate, right? I believe that could be the case, but also if it truly is the bear market, we wouldn't see any further growth up to that $3 to $4 level, and the max price would be $2, maybe even less. So I believe we're going to see altcoins start to fly, and we're going to fly past that prediction that Gemini has. But it's always great to bring in multiple perspectives. Let me know what you think. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Check out my link for BTCC, which is in the chat. Or sorry, it's in the description. I'm not live. It's in the description at the top of the description. It's also you can get a lot of stuff with that 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses, and you have a giveaway going on by the end of the month where you can win 375 USDT. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.